Hi there, welcome to CEDLEARN. Let me tell you a story where two friends aspired to be engineering graduates and worked hard for the entrance exams. Let's call them A and B. This is the story of every one of us. By chance or by efforts, A secured a great rank and got admitted into a IIT. Of course, we all could guess how his career path and future would be. Definitely, it would be the right trajectory as we all agree or aware of pedigree matters. Then what about our friend B who got into a local college which is not having it is having average credentials and not much. Should he give up on big dreams? Can he ever reach the heights of other friend A? What it takes for B to claim better future as A does. Every year, scores of students aspire to go into the premium institutions but end up in local colleges. This is my take on how to change the inevitable into an opportunity to rewrite the mediocre outcome into a great one. There are tons of things our friend B could do, but I would highlight few. Starting with change your attitude. We could teach math, science, or any subject to individual, but not the attitude. B could change his attitude towards learning, life, and career, etc. He must change it to have a jump start. Get serious on the career plan and get busy with an action plan. Learn technology and skills, get certificates, explore yourself. Join clubs, presentations, and build network as it will be helpful. Try leadership, try entrepreneurship, fail, do all those things. Failure teaches a lot. Build essential communication skills, creativity, collaboration, and so on. Do lots of internships every year you should do. They teach you a lot. Engage with NGOs and social activities so that you will give back to the society. Learn financial management and more. You can do whatever you want, but always get engaged. These are to look out how some of them can be corrected. However, they are essential as B is trying to make out the loss in the traction. One can depress about the lost opportunity or can build the momentum to make up for the loss. Organizations may show interest in the IIT candidates at the initial level. However, they always look for individual with value rather than qualification. With these efforts and skills gained, our friend B would definitely make his mark in the organization and slowly over a period of time rise to the ranks of leadership. This is where he would join the ranks of our student A, who might have reached there a little bit early, but eventually be caught up with sheer determination, hard work, and planning. I know most of the students like B would accept their fate and settle down for less things, but they could achieve more. No doubt it is hard and treacherous journey, but what else option you have? As we all say, YOLO, you only live once, and even you only college once. So take your life into hands and achieve what you thought is impossible. By the way, this is not a motivational speech, but a realistic plan to transform your life. Choice is yours. Thanks for your time. Please write to me and I would be glad to address and part of your future. Thank you.